welcome to my Sound Different. I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and I would like to take this time and opportunity to tell you hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the show. We usually come on here and we talk about things that happen in our neck of the woods, and as far as my channel goes, I'm always talking about my channel, and I will always be proud of my channel. And also, I like to talk about things that only concern, my my life. So today is a little bit different, and I just wanted to tell you guys, it's not it's not anything that you would expect like from me, but I one time I was in somebody's chat, and I don't remember who, but I heard somebody was like, "Oh, she collects sports memorabilia." They were talking about me, and they said, "Oh, well, I heard she's only collecting them because she's a diehard fan of this and this team and this and this team." And I was like, "No way." But when I was growing up, I used to collect cards and baseball cards, football cards, any kind of card. um, so, um, so yeah, like I got into this hobby growing up of collecting things, and I have a lot of background in history and things like that. Um, I cook with, sometimes I use recipes from the past, and sometimes I dress a certain way, like from a certain time period, um, and I'd say a lot of my lifestyle, it's gonna revolve around the history, the past, ancient history, things that have happened already. But like every chance I get, I attend events like that. And anyways, um, my whole house is filled with collector's things. I collect art and things like that. Um, I'm also an artist. I don't know if you guys know that. I do paint and I draw and all that. Aside from makeup and all that, I do actual stuff outside of that, and I write. And anyways, so one day I was thinking like, wow, I have so much collector stuff, like, but like I don't have anything like custom. Like everybody does custom things, and I don't have anything custom. And so I started doing that, and it just like grew on me. And like I have my own thing going, but like I still wanted to make fan stuff, and so like like growing up as an artist, as a young artist, I used to draw and stuff like this, but what I did here, it's nothing like that. It's just simply copy paste, and it was very like that's how it was started in this. Like I started doing like very pop, what you call pop art, and so. But this isn't art. This is just fan gear, and it's just custom fan gear, and I want to show you my collection. And I thought you guys would enjoy it because I get a lot of people on here that pop in and request certain things, and you guys know who you are, and I appreciate you guys watching. And I just want to tell you I see y'all, and I appreciate every time you click on this channel. I can feel it, and I want you to know that well, I appreciate your interactions. So that said, let's get into it. So um, the first thing I got is a pillowcase. It's not the pillow. It's just a pillowcase I had made, and this is gonna make you smile if anything, and This is all fan stuff from Fresh and Fit podcast. And this says, put your shoes on outside. It's double-sided. And it has the main character's name on the side. And a cartoon image. I just stuffed it with whatever I had. It was just like shipping, packing stuff. And so that's what I had made. And so, but I have some other stuff, but I already showed you guys online most of my stuff. This is the only thing that I have never shown anybody. And so let's open this up. I don't know how you open these bags. I haven't even opened it, but okay. Okay. Oh, it's a shaper. I don't know if I should leave that in there. So here's the hat. It's pretty cute, and I like the way it came out. It says Fresh and Fit podcast Simps to Pimps, and it's just a basic hat. Let's see, it's freshly sewn, but this is cute. It's real soft, like it's very like microfiber soft. I love it, actually. Actually, it's real cute. But yeah, that's the original logo with their, I guess that's their motto. I don't really have any actual practical uses for these things. So like I said, if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. But I knew you guys would be interested in these things, but you know, like I just didn't know what to do with them, so I just put them away. And this is real cute. Well, that took forever. So this is like a custom what you call it, plaque, and it's not a YouTube plaque, but it says 1 million subscribers, Fresh and Fit 2022 YouTube, and that's when they hit 1 million subscribers. And so I had this, and in the back, like it's like handmade, so it's not like right, you know, but like you have to put it on something. And I had one made for my channel, so that's why I was like just being creative one day. And I thought that's cute. It's like glossy. I love my plaque. Like it just has 1 subscriber, but I love my plaque, and I don't know, like all this fan stuff, like it puts me in like a nostalgic mood. Even though like mine's hanging up, and mine's hanging up there. I have that one online too. Let's try to put all this. This is cute, right? I think it's cute, but I don't really have a use for it. It's not practical. They're not practical items. Like all my art and stuff, I just hang them. But that was fun unboxing them. Like I hadn't really seen them. I just like stuff this like proper, and haven't really looked at it. I think it came out cute. Um, but I have my own stuff that I have made for my channel, and maybe one day I'll grow a collection of that, and I'll show you guys that, and that would be fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. When I interact with you guys, I like to know the things that y'all are interested in, and I like to enjoy them too. And it makes me feel like I'm being a part of something rather than just talking. And but continue interacting, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.